Yep, so another quick unboxing video on my package that I read from eBay. This is actually a seat cowl cover for the rear seat to remove the seat and put the solo cowl to make it look more like more sporty, more aggressive. This is the package. Order from eBay probably a week ago, and the price was very affordable, $28, free shipping. And I'm gonna show you the product and show you when it's on the bike. There's the seat cowl. Comes in a bag, also some foam wrap on it. Smells like fresh paint. So we got the little brackets and some other stuff in there. Okay, so this is the solo cowl for the Ninja. This is for the Ninja 300. Well, I think it looks nice. Especially it's gonna look nicer on the bike. It's a gloss black. I mean, the quality and the paint is pretty decent for the price. I mean, you cannot go wrong. It comes with everything, the bracket and some other pieces that goes on it. I think it's for the back. Yeah, this actually goes thing right here. Yep. And this is some rubber pieces, rubber cushions, I think. It doesn't vibrate or makes any crazy sounds, so it goes right there. And quality, it's nice. It's cheap. I know it's cheap. It's it's made in China, but I mean, if you want to get one of these for $30 for the original one, the OEM, it's pretty pricey. It's like 130. So I don't know if you want to spend that amount of money. But they're on eBay. You can find different colors. They got red, black, yellow, green, and carbon fiber look, and flat, and also unpainted. So for $30, you cannot go wrong with this seat cowl. It makes it's gonna make your bike look better, more aggressive, and more clean. So show you on the next video when all the parts that I order are on the bike and show you the final product. Thanks.